Hi everybody, this is Bill from Fit and 50 Plus. As you know, or may not know, I live in the Northeast and we've been ravaged by a whole series of nor'easters, so we've got a ton of snow outside. The result of that is that my Garmin 645 Music has been delayed in shipping. So in the interim, I thought maybe I might show you my setup that I've got here, and perhaps that would be of some interest. So with that, I'm gonna proceed with showing you how I have my area set up, and we will cut to the video. Before I begin, I would really appreciate it if you enjoy my videos, that you subscribe or you like the videos, and we'll go from there. So in case you didn't think I was serious with the snow, I thought I'd throw this in there just so you saw how much it sucks to live in the Northeast. So I have a very basic setup. I use a straight bench. That's primarily for sit-ups. I am in a basement, so what I need to do is basically use a heater in the wintertime. In the summertime it's great down here, but I use my heater in the wintertime. This right here is my rig. You can see my Garmin 935 right there. And the Celtics versus the Wizards, which hopefully will turn out better. We're in overtime right now. This is my straight bench. Got my rack over here. I don't use a ton of weight. I'm kind of up there in age, so I don't need to deadlift 400 pounds or anything like that. I've got some heavier plates down there on the floor, as you can see back there. I use this straight bench, and it's actually connected. But for me, it works great. I got the safety rails, plus I got the actual bench press rails right there. Gives me everything that I need. I'm a big proponent of using banding technology. So I've got some hooks and some bands installed up on my center beam of my house. My wife would probably kill me, but I picked these things up at Dick's Sporting Goods. They have all different tensions. I think these right here, you can see, are 70s. Those suckers work great for me. I've also got some dumbbells. Those right there are 35s, and I got a couple of 20s. Thinking of picking up maybe something in between those two. I actually picked up this flooring from a place in the Northeast called Ocean State Job Lot. They sell 4 panels for $8. It was really cool. Good deal. This stuff is awesome. And then the final piece is this all-in-one machine. This is an Odyssey 5 by a company called Tough Stuff. Don't even know if they make this anymore. But this sucker provides for me at least 20 different exercises. And it's got a rack on the side. This is a plate machine. It's got a rack on the side. That gives me about 200 pounds of resistance. So that sucker works awesome. And then lastly, I've got some different bands over there, plus a rope pull down, so I can switch up my pull downs from the bar to a rope. And then, just for an added bonus, I've got all my ancient and hopefully someday valuable baseball cards stored in these things. Like I said earlier, if you found this interesting or at least amusing, I would certainly appreciate a thumbs up or a subscription. And I've got a lot more videos coming, especially once I get and can test my Garmin 645 music. I appreciate it, and have a great day.